Whoa, that is amazing. I mean, it turned that thing over strong. That's pretty impressive. Good afternoon. Hey, I picked up this jump start on Amazon, and I've been hearing a lot about these jump starts. They say they're very, very small, actually touts to be able to start a regular car, even upwards of a 9.0 diesel. And so I thought I'd take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing and see what this thing's all about. Oh, wow. That's nice. Nice little case there. Nice case to be able to maybe throw in your car, keep that with you. Let's see what this thing looks like. And it's not all that big, but there's the specs on that. This is actually called a Gillaway. Had really, really good reviews. Does come with a manual. Doesn't take much probably to know exactly how to use this thing, but does give a manual and does have a charging cord with it as well. Charging cord right there. And let's see if we can maybe hook this up to it. Maybe it'll kick up the display just to see what it looks like. It's got this cover on this side, and looks like you can only insert this one way. Oh wow, we're charged at 100%, and I want to give this thing a try. It says just hook it up. It should crank your engine over. If you have a battery issue, we're going to try that out. Got this old van here, and it's had a dead battery for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to turn the key on. Oh, and absolutely nothing. It is dead. So let's go ahead and put this jump start right here on the battery, and we'll try this out and see if it really can start something. This little battery pack, red goes to positive, like so. The negative terminal has a remote little terminal right here I'm going to hook it to, and going to hook that up. Oh yeah. So it took a minute, and what happened was that it alternated for a while. I think it had to make sure that the polarity was right, everything was right, before it would actually give it any power. And so it did. It locked on for a second, and then that went back to its flash-in mode there. I don't know if you can see that or not. See how that flashes back and forth. Flashing back and forth. Let's give it a minute here and see what else it does. There we go. I moved the terminal down to get a little bit better connection there, and it went solid green when I did that. Well, that's nice. Let's see what we look like. We're still 98%, so it's not juicing it too much, but it is green now. By the instructions, it says we can start it. Let's give it a shot. I will say it actually gave it something. It was dead. It at least gave it something. That was nice. I have a red light now, whereas before I had a green light. So the red light indicates the supply voltage is too low, that the positive and negative electrode terminals have been swapped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this for a second. It looks like on a dead battery, this probably isn't the tool to use. All right, I made back over here to the quad. I have been having some starting issues with this. Recently cleaned the terminals and got all charged up and all that, and it's good. So what I've done is I've kicked the headlight on, and I'm letting it drain down. I think we're probably good by this point. Let's just see. Yeah, it's not doing anything. So let me kill the headlights, turn this thing off, pop the seat here, expose the battery, and we're going to try this little Gillaway 12,000 milliamp jump start on this quad battery and see exactly what it does. So again, you can only hook this thing up one way because it's indexed. We're going to do that. Hook that guy up. We got our flashing lights. It's looking to see once we get good polarity. Black goes to negative. Hook that guy up. Got that. Red goes to positive. All right, it picked that up. It turned solid green right there. Let's look at the indicator. 96%. It is charging it as we speak. Just going to give it here. Oh, I heard it just click off. And let's go ahead and see if now this thing will turn over. Whoa, that is amazing. I mean, it turned that thing over strong. That's pretty impressive. Go ahead and get this thing unhooked. Wow, very, very impressed with that little display right there. Pretty amazing. Yeah, nice jump start unit. I believe it's rated at a 3,000 amp jump, whatever that means, as you take a little battery pack like this and pour it into a bigger battery. But I'm telling you what, on this quad, it sure did work well. You might want to check this out. You can find a link in my description there if you want to look at one, maybe purchase one.
Yeah, I really enjoyed reviewing this product. It not only is a jump start, but also has some other functionality. It has these 3 lights on the front, and if you press and hold this button here, it actually turns those lights on, and you get a really, really bright light. and so you can see how bright that is. The other thing this has, it has two USB charging outlets, so you can plug your cord into that and use this as a brick to charge your phone or any other device as well. And of course, this little spot right here is where you would take the charging cord, which is supplied with the unit, and it is a USB-C, and you plug that in. That's how you actually charge this unit up. And if you would just press this guy once, you actually see what it's charged to, which currently is 91%. But this is a really nice unit. I hope you check it out. Get yourself one today.